Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making the easiest 7-layer dip that you'll make in your life because it's like not homemade. Basically all it is like adding all the ingredients together. So first things first, I went to 3 different stores because I kept forgetting stuff. So first I went to Food 4 Less and I got the can of beans. I know I'm Latina, but we're on a time crunch. So can of beans, ground beef, picante sauce, mild, avocados, and then sour cream. But they didn't have the chips I wanted, so then I went to Walmart and I got, these are the best chips. It's with it's with a hint of lime. These are the best. And then 2 of my friends are gluten-free, so I got these for them because these aren't gluten-free. I was seriously in the aisle like searching all over the bag, but it has these, so that's a no for them. But I got these for them. And then I had forgot that I needed taco seasoning for the meat. I mean, I really didn't need it, but then I feel like it makes it better. So I was like, let me just go. So then I went to this little Mexican store by the house and I got the taco seasoning, and then I got a soda. It's all dirty because I was trying to carry all my bags. Not even a bag, I didn't get bags. I don't know if you know this, but in California you have to buy your bag, so it's 10 cents each, and I was just being cheap and I was like, I don't need a bag, and I dropped the fucking soda. So is it gonna explode? Nope, it didn't explode. I really love Sierra Mist rather than Sprite. I'm not a, I don't know why I drink soda because my acid reflux. Is my shirt stained? No. I'm not a fan of Sprite. Anyways, and you need cheese. I only have this much cheese. I thought I needed, what else you need? Sorry, I'm all over the place. So that's the stuff I bought at the store. You do need tomato, cilantro, green onion, and cheese, like I said. That's mainly for like your seasoning. So for the avocado, like you're going to want to put lime, cilantro, onion, just to make like a guac to make it all together. But yeah, so let's get started. So first things first, you want to cook your meat. Thought you could see. So my pan's already hot, so I'm gonna throw this in here and let that get all brown and break that up. Okay, so while that's cooking, we can start on our guac so that as soon as everything's done, we just have to throw it all together. So for the guacamole, for like the 7-layer dip, so the 7 layers, first of all, it's gonna be the ground beef, beans, I don't know if it's beans, I think it's beans, ground beef, cheese, the picante sauce, avocado, sour cream, and then you chop up a little bit of green onion and tomato and you sprinkle it on the top, and that's your 7th layer. So super easy to make, especially like for like, I used to always make this for my work parties or like potlucks we would have, and they loved it. So we're having a potluck. That's what I'm cooking this for. So I'm gonna make my famous 7-layer dip, which it's my dad's recipe. He always makes this and it's like super bomb, and it's like super easy. Like anybody, me, I'm not even fully Latina. I mean, I'm Mexican, but I'm Texan is what I like to say. But like, you know what I mean? Like to where you're like, I don't know, I don't like spicy stuff, and the picante sauce is not spicy. So there's that. Avocado, you just want to, I like to cut the avocado into pieces It's just easier to mix everything together when you're putting it in. So that one. Ooh, my meat is heating up. I'm wearing white and doing this. I feel like I'm gonna get dirty. But oh well. The party starts at 6 o'clock, guys, and it's 5:43. And it's in Simi Valley. If you're from Oxnard, you know how far that is. So, Raina, if you're watching this, I'm coming. I'll be there sooner or later. Let me roll up my sleeves because I don't want to get myself dirty. I'm gonna make a lot of avocado because I feel like avocado is such a key component. And yes, I don't know like if everyone's gonna eat it. What if like I make too much? Because once I've made a lot, because I usually make this for family parties too, and I made like a whole big batch and people ate it, but there was still a lot left. So you don't want to make too much. Let me just scoop. This avocado is kind of ugly. I'm just like cutting it up before I scoop it in there, just so it's easier to mix with everything else. Like, that's the avocado. Fuck it, let's just cut this one. Guys, I'm so fucking hungry. Freaking hungry. Sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. I'm so hungry, but I don't want to eat right now, because then what if I don't eat like at the party? But then what if I'm like too hungry to where when I eat, I don't eat a lot? You know what I mean? It's all psychological for me. Okay, that's a lot of avocado. So I'm not gonna, I should have drunk that Ceramus. I'm not gonna cut this other half. You know what? I'm nervous, so I'm just gonna I don't even know what to say. I'm just gonna use this last avocado just to be on the safe side. I mean, worst case scenario, I can save it, because I don't think I'm gonna use this cilantro again. It's already almost like going bad. No, it's not, because people are about to eat this and they're gonna be like, oh my god, you served me bad cilantro. Oh, Jackie doesn't like cilantro. You know what, guys, I'm not gonna risk it. I forgot Jackie doesn't like cilantro, but this is kind of different because it's in guacamole. You know what? I put some onion, but I'm really lazy to cut the onion. Look at this. Juicy. Okay, this one sucks. Juicy. So you just want to squeeze some lime. Usually when I make guac for me and my fiance, I put like the whole woodwork, onion, tomato, but it's 5:50. Anissa is gonna be ready in 40 minutes, so I, oh my god, I'm getting so dirty. So I guess I still have time, but I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this shirt or these limes are juicy. So I put 2 limes in there. It's probably too much, but around. And you just want to put a little bit of sea salt or regular salt. This is pink Himalaya salt. So this is how the guac looks. Let me bring you in. So guys, this is the guac. That's all lime juice. And there's a little bit of cilantro in it. So you just want to smush this all up together. Really good. Okay, so we got the guac ready for when the meat's done. Nature into little pieces so that I can sprinkle it on top of my 7-layer dip. This is the 7th layer, which is the tomato and green onion. So I'm just gonna cut that into tiny pieces. Taco seasoning. I'm only putting, I didn't put even half the bag because you don't want to make your meat salty. We're gonna let our meat, ground beef, finish cooking in the taco seasoning. We have our tomatoes ready to put on top, our guac. Now I'm going to cut, some green onion. I don't really care for tomatoes, so I'm trying to cut these tomatoes as small as I can. I'm just gonna cut a little bit and sprinkle that on top of our dip. And now for the beans, I like to heat them up. I don't know if you... Yeah, you have to cook these. Okay, for my beans, guys, I'm just gonna cook them on medium heat. And I know, guys, don't come for me. I know I'm using canned beans, but I only have 6 o'clock now. This looks like dog food, but I'm telling you, it tastes fine. So everything is cooked. My beans are ready, my guacamole, my meat, my veggies, my sour cream, picante sauce, and cheese. I think that's it to what I remember. So let's do this. Guys, so for the 7-layer dip, you just want to get a dish, either glass, plastic, whatever you have to put your dip in. So first layer, you're gonna want to put your beans. So I just used a can. I thought I would need 2 cans, but 1 can is good enough. And you want to spread that all over. I think I put too much beans. Oh well. Next layer is the meat. Third layer, cheese. Since the meat's hot, the cheese will melt. So I like to put the cheese during this part rather than on top. Gonna have a lot of cheese. My hands are clean. I'm just pushing everything down. Guys, I think I made too much guac. Okay. Next layer, picante sauce. Oh yeah. This dish is not big enough for everything, so I'm only putting a little bit of picante sauce and really spreading that around. And what you can do is mix the meat and the picante sauce like this, just so that you have more room. We only need that much left, so I think we can, fuck it. We'll make it work. Oh Jesus, that's a lot of picante sauce. Now, guac. Oh my god, this is not gonna be enough. Hopefully this weighs it down. Put your sour cream. Of course, guys, you can make this look prettier than what it does look like. I just filled it. So it's a little messy. And just clean up your edges. For the last layer, you want okay guys, this is our dip. It could look better, but I overfilled with the picante sauce. But doesn't it look delicious? This with these chips, best combination ever. But yeah, so that concludes this quick little video. I know it's not like homemade Latina, but if you're a quick, not a quick, but a busy Latina like me, then this dip should be super easy. But yeah, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.